All right, today I'm going to test out my Whirlpool Dishwasher's 7-hour cycle option on this pot, which has burnt-in stains not only on the top, as you can see. I'm just going to scratch a little bit. You see it? Some of it came off, but also within the pot itself. As you can see, there's a lot of stains on the bottom of the pot as well as on the sides of the pot. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and place the pot down inside of the dishwasher on the bottom rack, and I'm going to place the top as well on the bottom rack, and I'm just going to put it in there. Now I have to adjust everything accordingly, make some moves. Now with a 7-hour cycle, it's 7 hours of soaking before it actually washes. Okay, as you can see, I just put a packet within the compartment right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and shut it and do the 7-hour soak and clean. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select soak and clean. As you can see right there, it's going to take 7 hours and 20 minutes, but if I add the high temperature wash, it goes to 7 hours and 23 minutes. A whopping 7 hours and 23 minutes of soaking before it washes. So the whole entire cycle is going to take about 7 hours and 20 minutes. And after it's done, I'm just going to go ahead and open it up, and I'm going to check and see what our results are. All right, the top shelf is clean. I was just checking just to make sure. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pull out the pot as well as the top. As you can see, it came clean for the most part, but there's still some hard ground in burnt on the sides. So the soak option did get the pot somewhat clean, but the burnt in stains were relatively hard to get out. So I'm going to have to do that manually. All right, with a scouring brush or some sort, probably a non-metallic scouring brush. However, on the top, as you can see, the stains are completely gone, and so I'm quite impressed with the top. I wish the pot would look so much like the top, but that is not the case. But yeah, that's a 7-hour soak and clean test. It works well, but wasn't perfect. Let me know if you have any questions.